All right, it's Tuesday, almost a Wednesday. Now I'm skipping a day. It's time to celebrate some birthdays, and we begin in Iola, Kansas with Houston Zimmerman, turning 4 today. Very happy birthday to you, Houston.
All right, and a belated birthday wish going out to Trip Mendicky, who celebrated his 4th birthday on Sunday. Hope it was a great one, and you know what? You get to celebrate 4 all week long.
Absolutely. Kingston Stratford turning 12 in Golden City. A very happy birthday to you, Kingston, and this comes with love from Grandma and Grandpa.
Haley Malone celebrating birthday number 15 this year in Fort Scott. Happy birthday, Haley.
And we've got Julia Malone, which is Haley's twin sister, also, of course, celebrating birthday number 15 in Fort Scott. Happy birthday.
All right, go Tigers. And let's see, Hannah Bailey celebrating birthday number 17 this year. There she is. The show animal there. Hannah is in Girard.
And we've got Jonathan Adam over in Pittsburgh celebrating birthday number 17. And this birthday comes with love from Mom and Dad. Jonathan, happy birthday.
I've known Jonathan since he was in the 1st grade. It is hard to believe he is already 17 years old. Stop growing up, Jonathan. Happy birthday. Hope you have a wonderful, wonderful day. And Jessica Cooper, turning 32 this year. Jessica celebrating in Parsons.
And we've got Jenny Yeoman celebrating birthday number 60 in Joplin. And Jenny Yeoman, going with our theme this morning with Dr. Gilbert, is a teacher at North Middle School. Happy birthday.
All right. The Largents are celebrating 19 years of wedded bliss. They're in Parsons. Congrats going out to Corey and Trisha Largent.
And we've got another anniversary over in Oswego. It's Mike and Tonya Zuelen celebrating their 42nd wedding anniversary. And this comes with love from the 9 grandkids. So, see, that just means it's a bigger celebration because you've got 9 grandkids to help you out.
All right. And Kevin Knopp turning 67 years old this year in Frontenac. We've got Reagan Gass celebrating birthday number 27. It says here that Reagan works at Alley Internal Medicine in Joplin.
And last but not least, we've got Larry Bailey celebrating birthday number 74 in Girard. A happy birthday to you, Larry, and to all of you today. And, of course, some happy anniversaries also.
If you have a birthday or an anniversary you'd like to announce, please submit them to us with a picture, preferably, to birthdayswithans@KOAMTV.com or birthdays@KOAMNewsNow.com.
And if you go to our website, why not go ahead and sign up for the KOAM News Now Birthday Club? It is an excellent deal. Get some great deals from local businesses. All you need to do is go over to KOAMNewsNow.com and sign up for the KOAM Birthday Club.